Is that wonderful? And rhinestones. Hi. Hi. I'm Miss Christina, and I'm here with Charlotte Grace, and I'm here with her little sister Aniston Gray, and we're going to give you a makeup tutorial for the show for preschoolers. When we do shows at the Ritz Theater, you're under big lights and you're on stage and you want to be able to see your child's features from far, far away, like from the people in the back row. We want your child to shine. But contradicting that statement, I also don't want our little girls to be overly made up, okay? So I'm going to show you today what my expectations are, and then you can go from there to make your child and yourself happy with what we do. So these two girls, well, her hair's a little more fine, but Charlotte Grace has really, really curly hair. And I don't want to see curly hair sprayed down with hairspray. Don't try to make it slick. Curly hair is curly hair, and it's wonderful and beautiful. So just keep it natural as far as any products in it like you do every day, and just make sure that you have a nice hairdo like this. So she's got a little fun bun. We would call it a messy bun, where you don't have to put bobby pins in it or anything. You just loop it through the elastic ponytail holder, and she's left curls down, which is so precious, and then her little bow up here. And this is the costume they were gonna get to wear before Corona canceled. And it's beautiful. And then as far as features that you want to enhance, we use bright lipstick. So you get to choose a hot pink or a bright red. Okay, so open your mouth like this. Well, maybe not that wide. Like this. There. Oh, I need my glasses on. I can't quite see. Oh, now I see those pretty teeth and your pretty lips and everything. So you're just gonna put on some nice bright lipstick. Now her lips are gonna look beautiful on stage. You wanna smile at the camera? Would you like some too?
I think you want everything.
Okay, open your mouth for me. Okay, good.
That's wide open.
Yeah, it's a little wide, but that's okay. Oh. Beautiful, girls. Smile at the camera. So there are some bright and pretty lips. As far as the skin on the face, just use a nice moisturizing lotion, and you don't need to do foundation and a lot of powder for your tiny child, but take some blush, a nice bright color, and you don't want to put the blush right here on top of the cheek, under the eye. That just crowds the face. You want her features to be open, so you'll take the blush brush and put blush on under the cheekbone.
Oh, Charlie.
Hey, Charlie. Right under the cheek. And what that does is how I do my makeup every day too, is when you put your blush on under the cheek, then it lifts your cheekbones up. There you are.
I think Charlie's going out of there.
Is he going in there to dance?
Yeah.
Yes. Charlie's going to dance. And then if you want to take that blush brush,
Charlie's not telling him to dance.
do a little on the
He's
forehead,
not telling him.
across the nose, and in the middle of the chin. And that gives a little bit of highlighting. Oh, that's beautiful, Charlotte Grace. Oh, how could I almost forget you, Aniston Gray? Nice of you to share it on the forehead, on the nose, and on the chin.
I think that tickled. What is that and what is that one?
This is the mascara. Now, it's hard to put mascara on tiny little people, but these girls know how to let me do it without squinting or flinching, and it's really nice to have mascara on your child's eyelashes if you can. If you have a child that just isn't taking it well, don't force it, it's okay. Just bright lips and blush will be fine, but we're going to put some mascara on these lashes. So I always ask whoever I'm putting mascara on to look at my necklace and what this does, or even a little lower at my chest bone. And then that way their eyes are at an angle where their lashes are straight out, and I can go over the top of the lash. Oh, look at those long lashes. And underneath.
I'm cutting both sides of the lashes. Look at my chest bone. Right under my necklace, right there. Cutting both sides of the lashes just gives a beautiful look and lots of volume. Good job, Charlotte Grace. Oh, yes.
And I don't bother to do lower lashes on the baby girls.
You ready? Mm-hmm. Okay. The short one down more. Yes, she's got long ones like you. Can you open your eyes a little? There you go. Looky, look. Oh, these are long lashes. You can't do one. No, just big your chair around so I can do it. Right there. Right there. Got the three in my necklace? There you go. Careful, careful. Oh, look at the beautiful girls.
And there you have it. That's all you need to do. Now, another thing we want to do is give you enough little jewels where on your own at home, parents, or right before they go on stage, right before their showtime, is to take a little rhinestone jewel and put right here next to their eye. Look how pretty. Just for a little pizzazz. Oh my goodness. Jewels. Do you like the jewels? I'll show you in the mirror. Just a second.
And Annie has a pink one.
She does. What do you think? Are you beautiful? Tell me what you like. Look in the mirror and tell me what you like most about yourself.
My eyelashes.
Good. What do you like? Lipstick.
She said that fast.
She did say that fast. She didn't have to think about it at all. You like the lipstick?
Mm-hmm.
Well, you girls look absolutely beautiful. You look absolutely beautiful. So do y'all want to look at the camera with me and say, oops, can you put your hands in your lap and sit like a princess? First, there you go. There you go. Look at these princesses. So can you wave to the camera with me and say, thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching.
So have fun with it. Good luck, and don't stress about it. Whatever you do, just bring your child to the show feeling fabulous. Bye.